Cuckoo's a good thing.
It's a purse.
What do you think is inside?
I don't know.
Do you need help? Grandma, there's scissors right there if you need scissors.
She's got it. Yeah, you got it.
It's a Loopsy
It is La La Loopsy.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Grandma, can you get it open so
Let
she
me
doesn't
see.
rip
I
it?
don't want to have you rip it.
I don't know what it is. What's you? It's a purse.
Uh-oh. What is it?
I don't know.
You gotta stamp it. Okay, let's see. Open it up.
It's makeup.
Do you like it?
I want some Mona.
You want to show her? Bring it over.
Mona, look at it. Loopsy.
Oh, she likes it.
Hey, look it.
What else is in the bag?
There's
You
more
think
stuff
something
in
else
there. In the bag. In the bag, the gift bag.
Right here, the bag. Oh, here, go around this way.
Oh, it's a book.
What's it about?
And it's so it's a big beauty.
Is it Sleeping Beauty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Princess stories. It's about all the princesses that you know.
Oh. Look
We
at
can read
Mama.
that tonight.
Okay,
There's
one
more in
thing
there. There's more in there.